Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got so cool stuff. Oh my gosh, I've got only two things, but they're really cool. Let me show you. I've got unicorn crystal mud. If you guys, have you seen my other video with crystal mud? It was also very nice. Go check it out after this video. It's unicorn crystal mud. I mean, who would want unicorn crystal mud? It's also green. It comes in different colors. So, and it also has kinetic sand. This is blue, and comes with a little shape up here too. So what we're gonna start with the kinetic sand. Oh, that comes easily. Oh, it feels so nice. And the toy mold that it comes with is a little shell. It's like a pink shell. It's a very nice. Ooh, let's get it out. So as you can see, let me get that out. Oh, oh. It's not like original, guys. This is like cloud slime. Look at that. It's not even, okay, guys, I think this is cloud slime. It's not kinetic sand. Well, it is kinetic sand. It really feels like kinetic sand. Okay, so I'm gonna just put it in the lid here. See, guys, like sand. I mean, slime. Okay. Whoa, okay, that's enough. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. And it's easy to clean up, like really easy. Let's try to do swirl. Okay. Guys, you ready? Let's try this. Oh no, it's sticking to my hands. Sorry. I did that. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay. That's super cool. Now we're going to try and mold it. That molds really easily, and it goes into there. Look how that drips. Look how that drips. That drips so nicely. Okay, let's see here. I'll get it out. Oh, look at the shell. Destroy. I just destroyed it. So now that's enough with it, and that's the kinetic sand. It's actually quite a lot. It doesn't look like a lot, but it actually it is. What am I saying? I'm so happy and excited because I love this stuff. Now let's move on to our last and next thing. Unicorn crystal mud, and we have to play with this. Who wouldn't want to? Oh, guys, look at that! Oh my! It's so nice. Okay, sticky, nice. Oh, let's get that out. Let's get that. Oh, look at that. That's a lot of slime. See, guys, there's a unicorn. Let's try and take that out. Ooh. Let's put that. I'm breaking slime. Why am I doing that? Let's get the unicorn out. Guys, look at that unicorn. It's like a little chimes. So, guys, this is like the crystal mud. It's just a little, a lot more slime than it is in the pack, but you should get both of them. I'm telling you, they're so nice. And look at that. I mean, unicorns. It pokes really nicely. Got a little piece. Okay. That's a lot of slime. Put that back. Sorry, that's just so satisfying. Let's play some music here. Okay. Okay. Put some of my fingers. It's so nice. Oh, still got slime on my fingers. So guys, that's all we have for today. I'm sorry it wasn't that long video, but this was so nice. And guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I forgot to do this. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like this video, and comment down below what's your favorite between slime and kinetic sand. Comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!